Hey, well, hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got these in. It is Battle of the Worlds, released by the Film Detective, and the Funhouse, released by Screen Factory. So let's get this unboxing going in. Alright guys, let's start with the Battle of the Worlds Special Edition. Sci-fi Italian film released back in 1961, starring Claude Rains, Bill Carter, and Maya Bennett. Of course, the story is there's an asteroid heading towards Earth, and then all of a sudden it veers off and orbits it, and a group of scientists go there to try to see what's going on, and of course turns out to be an alien attack, and of course all hell breaks loose at the end. Beautiful art on it, the original poster. $50% off. Nice card on there. Oh, it comes with a booklet and a disc. Let's check out the disc first. It is a 4K restoration from the original 35mm archival film. And on the booklet, beautiful. Tells you pretty much all about the film. It's not the best low budget sci-fi movie out there, but it does have its moments. Space battle scene. If you're curious about the film, you can check it out on YouTube for free. Alright, next up, the Funhouse in 4K UHD, directed by Tobe Hooper. I feel this is one of his underrated films. The original poster art on it. Screen Factory released this a couple of years ago on Blu-ray. I am hearing great things about this transfer, so we're really looking forward to checking it out. As a matter of fact, I'm going to check it out tonight. The Blu-ray. And the 4K UHD disc. Beautiful. And artwork on the other side of the insert. Wish I will turn around. I think I like that better. I haven't seen the movie since the rental days, but I really enjoyed it. There it is. Nice. Hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.